Hello, my friends. I know that some of you were having some issues getting into Rush and having to log in, and I wanted to walk you through really quickly today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up Premiere Rush here, and it should take you to the screen. Now, most of you might want to think that I'm going to click on Continue with Google, but that's the one we don't want to use because that logs you in as a personal account. So you continue with Adobe, and it takes you here. And what we're going to do is we're going to sign in with your MyTUSD email. Okay. And then we hit continue, and it'll ask you the question, is this a personal account or is this a company or school account? We click on that one. Now it's going to take us and make us log into our school account. All right, so we come back in there and we do the same thing again. We log in with our MyTUSD account. And enter our password. And we're going to do this number again. Okay, and after we sign in, it's going to sign in here. And it takes us to our Adobe, and that's where we're getting started. Now, if any of you have already logged in and you logged in as a personal account, go ahead and leave it. And we're going to walk through the lesson of how to do what I need you to do today. The only problem with the personal account is it only lets you upload 3 times. Now, after we're done with this project, you should be able to log out, and then we'll log back in. And it should keep your work, but let's not take the risk right now. So if you were having problems logging into Adobe Rush, or you logged in as a personal user, hold off, and you're going to do this school login after we're all done. Well, that's the lesson for today, and that's just a quickie. We'll go on, and I'm going to post a second video on how to add music to your slideshow today. Have a great day, my friends.